All right, good evening, traders. I'm Devang Mehra from the Financial Analyst and welcome you to the post-market analysis for Wednesday. It is 7th April 2021. Right now it's 4:20 p.m. Markets have just closed half an hour before. So I'm going to say something very quick. TFA is about precision. It's about giving you the confidence that you need. Today I was active on Telegram. I was acting on our Discord for our mentorship clients. And we offered you precision. Kahan top banega, kahan bottom banega, everything was given. So let me first show you what I did today. This is what I've done today, 3.8 lakh, I booked it again. So I'm happy this new year has been very good for me. And finally I've booked my HCL Tech. Yesterday you were becoming skeptical कि नहीं HCL Tech ऊपर नहीं जा सकता. We got it higher. We got a very good jump in IT. We got good profits in ICICI Bank. We got great profits in Kotak. That was the star of the day. We got really good profits in Sun Pharma also. And eventually, I'm carrying Axis Bank puts. I gave you that in Telegram also. So it was in good profit right now only. 27 se 30 aa gaya. Already 3 points profit. It's now totally up to you. So, when you make profits, BTST is all about risk. So I have some conviction on this Axis Bank trade. Anyone else is scared. Anyone else lacks patience. So, when you get 3 points in the last 30 minutes, you should book it. So all those things are fine. So I want to run you through what I discussed on Telegram. Before I get started, guys, if you liked our Telegram activity today, if you like us being active there, if you liked our activity on our Discord servers, let me know in the comments. And if you like these videos, if you wait for these videos every day, give us a thumbs up. It'll mean a lot to me. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe and click on that notification bell. Okay, chalo start karte hain. So now look at these positions. I'm gonna ask something very, very interesting to you. A lot of people come to me and say, "Yaar, you are doing options buying." Yeah, I'm option buyer. I'm very comfortable. And we will say that 66% time option buyer lose. I say I totally agree with you. So then they say, "How do you make money? You're not even hedging. You're doing naked option buying." So I'm going to ask you something. Last 3 days, you've been seeing my performance every day. I'm very, very transparent, guys. I'm not a person who hides, fabricates things. You have my performance every day. Yesterday, I was up 1.5. Today, I'm up 3.8. On Monday, I was up about 4.5, 5.5 lakh. So you know my performance. Now look at these positions. Ignore these two because they were taken in the last 1 hour. Ignore them. Look at these 4 positions that I carried forward. I added ICICI Bank in the day to day. Do you think I have hedged my positions? Soch ke batana. Let me know in the live chat or in the comments. Do you think I have hedged my positions? Interesting, you will learn something very new. So I'm expecting 90% of the people, they will say, no, it's all, you have bought all calls. So how have you hedged? But I have done some very good hedging. This is what I say every day. And this is something no one listens to. Everyone waits for levels. Ki level bata do, kal Nifty Bank Nifty ka kya hai? But when I use the term sector rotation, kisi ko samajh nahi aata. This is what is sector rotation. And I will show you exactly how I took these trades. Why I took these trades. Dekho, I was carrying HCL Tech. And I was carrying Sun Pharma. What are these? Defensives. They are defensive stocks. Matlab, if Bank Nifty goes down, if your banking stocks go down, which is nothing but Kotak and ICICI, I will be hedged by Sun Pharma and HCL Tech. That is why I was holding small quantity in Kotak, if you all remember, and big quantity in Sun Pharma and HCL Tech. Why? I was expecting banks to underperform in the last couple of days. That happened. So today, when I saw that markets are trying to break off highs because of the RBI, dovish commentary, I immediately added ICICI Bank. It was intimated to you. So I had a good exposure in banks. And then I told you, exit all longs except HCL Tech. So ye bhi nikal gaye, sab nikal gaye, wo sara maine aapko guide kiya tha. So let us run through it. So what I'm trying to say is, it is not necessary ki aapko option selling karna padta hai or to basically hedge your positions. If you have the understanding of the market, anything is possible. So right now, I was concerned about value and growth, and I've been saying it for the last 3 days. Whoever listens to my videos makes money. And when market started to going up, I booked Sun Pharma. When Bank Nifty made a top at 33,200, I told you immediately book all longs in banking, hold HCL Tech. And उसके बाद क्या rally आया Nifty IT का? Everyone है. मैंने क्या किया? HCL Tech रखा था, उसके साथ मैंने Bank Nifty का put ले लिया. मतलब Bank Nifty को short, HCL Tech is value opposite है, उसको long कर दिया. And then वही हमने कमाया. We earned in HCL Tech. We earned in Bank Nifty. So when Bank Nifty went down, HCL Tech boomed up. And once all this mess was over, I got Bank Nifty at highs again. I took Axis Bank put. I also earned that money. So overall, I was very comfortable because I knew what I wanted to do. And this was discussed last night in the ring also on our Discord servers. So I'm happy today. Now it's not a big return. I'm a good 20. I'm happy with the 20-25% return. I'm going fine. This is my pace, how I like, because when you're doing option buying, you have to be very safe. You can't be very greedy. It's not futures. It's not option selling. So this is where you need to understand the difference. Now, a couple of messages that I had sent on our Discord server. Now, this is the beauty of, us being active on Discord. Now, please guys, Discord is only for our mentorship clients. Please understand that. So if you want to join any of our mentorship programs, I'm not saying you should, but if you like our work, if you want to join, we have 2 batches starting. One is the April 12th batch, which is starting on Monday. Weekdays training every day. We'll do 1.5 hour training at 8 o'clock in the night. And we have a weekend batch for people who are professionals and students that is starting on April 17th. So next Saturday, Sunday. That will be training every Saturday, Sunday from 11 to 1. So if you are interested in these programs, you can always message me. But forget about that now. So today morning, I said this, ye dekho bahut important message hai, because eventually in the market, what is the point of a community? The point of a community is to tell people that you are there for them and let them know that they are there for you. So what I'm trying to say, aaj kya hua tha? This is a message at 9 o'clock, 11 minutes I sent. Everyone remembered what happened in the starting of Bank Nifty. Sabko yaad hai. Let me just show you what happened on Bank Nifty. The very first candle of Bank Nifty today, I'll open the 15-minute chart. The very first candle of Bank Nifty ye tha. Seedha from 32,500 went to 32,100. And my community, everyone was longs. वो तो आपको पता ही है, all of us were sitting in longs. So अब क्या मैंने लिखा, ये पढ़ना ये बहुत interesting है. I said, don't panic, I am there. इतना सा मैंने लिखा. And people, when I write these kind of messages, let me know in the comments how you feel. Whoever is in my mentorship program, when I write these messages to give you a, affirmation that I am there, panic na karo. How do you feel? Let me know. And exactly that happened. We were ready. I said, patience will make you rich. I was in all calls. My community was in all calls. And no one hedged in my community. Everyone, I would say 80% people are in profit. I'll upload the screenshots on Instagram after this video. You can always have a look. So I'm very, very happy with the performance of the community this year. So I want to give it out to you. So, if you're a part of my community on Discord, #TFA family, guys. Love you all. So the other message that I sent was, I gave you a trade on ICICI Bank also. ये मैंने अच्छा trade दिया था. Why? When I saw that the governor का address आ रहा है, and when I saw that my Bank Nifty is going to shoot up, I told everyone to go for ICICI 560 call, only one lot. Why one lot? Now everyone says you to buy heavy. So I have another account in Angel, by the way. I've just opened a couple of days back. So इसके अंदर मैंने I bought one lot. So ICICI, why one lot is because we were not sure. Is the commentary going to be dovish or is the commentary going to be hawkish? So as soon as we knew kya hone wala hai, we held the trade and we earned some good money on that. So I'm going to show you at 942 where was ICICI Bank. So उसमें हमने काफी अच्छा आज profit कमाया. ये देखो 940. This was 940. You can see 940. ICICI Bank was at 568. Eventually आज का day high था 580. So I hope everyone has clocked in good money even in ICICI Bank today. That is where I got the profit. Small profit today in ICICI, but I was happy with what I got. ज़्यादा greedy नहीं था मैं आज. Fine. Today was Wednesday. I told you yesterday कि आज two-sided movements आएगा. So now let's come back to Telegram. What I told you on Telegram. A couple of very, very important messages. Yesterday's data. Let me just show you this. I couldn't make a video last night, but this is something very, very important. I said that, if you know how to read the data, try to understand. आज market ने बढ़ना था. Why? Because calls and futures have been added extensively by FIIs. However, index puts were also added and stock futures were sold. FIIs plus all your clients were bullish, so they had to be trapped. That is why today in the morning at 9 o'clock 9 minutes, I sent this very important message. I said my understanding is that we will see positive momentum in the market for the first 1-2 hours. Mila hame positive momentum. Bank Nifty shot up from 32,400. It went up to 33,200. We got good 800 point ka rally aaya. And then I said markets then will witness sharp profit booking after 12 p.m. उसके बाद आया, हमने put लिया, हमने कमाया. We saw immediately from 33,200 immediately I think in 30 minutes or something सीधा market आ गया 32,800, 400 पॉइंट का करेक्शन आया. So we did make money. I said please be hedged. मैंने ये सारा लिखा था hedged रहना. Today is going to be a very difficult day to trade. So who doesn't understand the market, don't trade. So we also gave you, by the way, also we gave you another trade of Bajaj Auto. I told you all that I have also built a positional view on Bajaj Auto. Now please understand, on Telegram, this is not a call service. Whatever I do or whatever Himalay does or any of the other mentors do at TFA, our job is to tell you what we have done. Our job is not to tell you buy this company, target is this. If you are looking for that, then please don't come here. I'll be very, very frank with you. Your job is, we give you our personal trades. If you make a loss, I will make a loss. So eventually both will suffer. So eventually it's about 6 out of 10 profitable trades. But today was an entire no stop loss day. You can see my screen. I have not hit any stop loss today. For the last couple of days, I've been doing fine. So today we built a position on Bajaj Auto. You all must be remembering this. हमने ये build किया था at 1232. You can see what happened on Bajaj Auto. Also, before I show you Bajaj Finance, I said right now CMP is 5060, looking for very good for swing trading. ये मैंने words आपको डाले थे. So a lot of people send us messages for appreciation. Thank you so much. If you take any of these trades, let me know so we can continue to give them. Otherwise, if we don't see a good participation, I want to be very less active on Telegram because eventually I do not know my audience on Telegram. And I just want to give you a fair view. So let me know about that in the description. So if I show you Bajaj Auto, we made some really good money on Bajaj Auto. I hope you have made some money on Bajaj Auto. So I gave this trade of Bajaj Auto on 12:32. हमने दिया था 12:32 PM. So if you see 12:32, यहाँ पे कहीं trade दिया था आपको at this point of time. 3670 का था and markets gave you high of 3694. So intraday about 30-40 points आपको Bajaj Auto में मिले हैं. I am still holding. I am not panicking. I am bullish on the stock because I think if you look at the long-term picture, it's done a very, very important thing. What happened in Bajaj Auto is we got a very good resistance trend line. We got a very good resistance trend line. And if you see the chart, it went up, it retraced back, tested them, and it's again going up. So I'm holding, and I think we should start to see aggressive buying above 3750 levels. So I'm going to hold for those levels. The reason I've opened an angel account is because I want to hold positional trades for a long, long period of time. That's exactly what I do. You'll come to know that later once you track my journey. So Bajaj Auto, you should have made good money. Then also I gave you a trade at that point of time on Bajaj Finance. That should have made you much more money than Bajaj Auto. मैं दिखा देता हूँ. Bajaj Finance also same time. Bajaj Finance around 12:30 we gave you that trade. 15-minute intraday chart. 12:30. So we gave you a trade somewhere here. 12:30 5060 का price था. Today high was 5111. So around 50 rupees. That's 1%. That's a big deal if you know stocks. So we made some good money in these two trades. ICICI made profit. All the other recommendations I was sharing with you. I was very kind enough today to tell you exactly कि मैं क्या कर रहा था. I said, please guys book all longs. Now please see the precision. मैं इसको बोलता हूँ precision. I always tell people, two things you need. One is patience. You always make money by waiting and not by trading. And number two is precision. And number three is conviction. तो मैंने ये देखो message लिखा था at 1:04 PM. I said I have booked all longs except HCL Tech and I sent you the screenshot. कि मैं ICICI निकल गया हूँ, कोटक निकल गया हूँ, Sun Pharma निकल गया हूँ. Because that logic comes. What? Bank Nifty making a top मतलब HCL Tech going to blast. अब यहाँ पे मैं 2.6 था, close the day on 3.8. That's the difference of interpretation of markets. अब देखो क्या हुआ. Let's just show you. At 1 o'clock I said exit all longs in Bank Nifty. मैं दिखा देता हूँ what happened after 1 o'clock. This is I understood that कुछ market में change हो रहा था structure. So I can show you Bank Nifty 1 o'clock. Exactly ये होगा. ये देखो. See the precision. See the time नीचे. 1 o'clock exactly मैं आपको लिख दिया. Please long exit करो. और उसके बाद market from 33,200 went to 32,850. I hope you should have made money. यार मैं इससे ज़्यादा नहीं कर सकता. And as I say, it's in TFA, it's about family. We give you trades that we take. Otherwise, I am not bothered to give you a trade. Why should I give you a trade that I don't take? Because if I don't take a trade, I don't have conviction. If I take a trade, I have conviction. So I'm giving you a trade I took. So at this point of time, 1 o'clock, मैंने क्या किया? मैंने Nifty का Bank Nifty का put लिया, 33,000 put. I made good 31,000 money on that. And HCL Tech उसके बाद rise कर गया. If I show you, मैंने ये भी लिखा था Telegram पे. मैंने सब कुछ आपको आज spoon feeding करी है. देख लेना. So I said time to be careful and cautious in longs. Put नहीं लेना मत लो. And then I said, guys, वॉच निफ्टी आईटी, तो बड़ा होने वाला है. इन आवर मेंटरशिप आई गेव यू ऑल द एक्सप्लेनेशन. यहाँ पे मैंने लिखा था वॉच निफ्टी आईटी एंड आई सेड प्लीज do not book HCL Tech, only book longs in other stocks. And the results everyone saw. If I show you that candle at 1 o'clock, you will see what happened in Nifty IT. That was extraordinary. I was surprised, but at the same time, we knew what was happening. So see Nifty IT यार उसने क्या किया at 1 o'clock. ये देखो ये candle है. This is again called precision. 1 o'clock, boom, Nifty Bank down. दोनों जगह हमने क्या किया hedge, scalp. या हमने निफ्टी में काफी आईटी में पैसा बनाया. एंड मैंने कल आपको बोला था एक बात. व्हाट डिड आई से? फार्मा लुकिंग स्ट्रांग, निफ्टी आईटी लुकिंग स्ट्रांग. इफ यू सॉ माय वीडियो यस्टरडे, आपको पता था आज क्या करना है. आई टोल्ड यू वेरी वेल, निफ्टी आईटी फार्मा बुलिश हूं मैं. आई विल बी बुलिश फॉर द लॉन्ग टर्म आल्सो. एंड आज मूवी दिया है निफ्टी आईटी ने, बहुत प्रॉफिट दिया है. विप्रो, इन्फोसिस, HCL Tech has given you extraordinary, and I hope you make some money. Let me know in the comments what you have done. So उसके बाद I told you, we were doing fine and we got a good level on Bank Nifty and eventually things were fine. So and in the end I told you हम Axis Bank put लेके जा रहे हैं and we made money on even on Axis Bank put. From 28.8 we touched 30.2. So you should have clocked in some profit even on the Axis Bank put. So this was the day today, and I've already told you please don't carry longs in Bank Nifty and Nifty. If you want to carry longs in if you want to carry longs in stocks, that is fine. But Nifty, Bank Nifty don't look very good to me. Now I can give you exact commentary tonight. I'll be coming late in the night. Maybe I'll try to come around 11 o'clock because I have 3-hour sessions scheduled for tonight. But most probably I will. If I'm not able to come, I will leave a voice note on Telegram. So make sure you join Telegram. I have one request from you guys that please yaar, Telegram we have 3911. Let's touch 4,000 today. Khatam karte hain yaar. I want to reach 4,000 today. Help me achieve that goal. So extraordinary support that I'm getting from you guys. We started from nowhere, and today every day, about 1,000 people, 1,500 people see our messages. So it's a blessing for me, and it's an honor for me that I'm able to serve you. Our team is able to serve you, and I'll continue to do that in the future. So 4,000 subscribers Telegram link is there. What's the channel name on Telegram? मैं दिखा देता हूँ. A lot of people ask me channel name. It is called TFA Investments. You can search TFA Investments and you will be able to search, find the channel. So just now, what is my view? Dekho guys, I'm not very comfortable on Nifty and Bank Nifty also. Why? First of all, Bank Nifty has closed below 33,000. So one thing which I don't like is why did Bank Nifty make a high of 33,200 and then close below 33,000? That is one thing I don't like. Number two, एक trend line था. This is one trend line that I was drawing from the highs of the fall happened on Monday to today's high. Exactly यार यहाँ पे कहीं market रुक गया था. So unless until this trend line does not break, ये level कहीं आता है वो 33,100 something. We should not be aggressive buyers. We should wait it out. कल expiry है. Expiry में dual movements आते हैं, short covering, call writing, बहुत कुछ होता है. So that I will see the data and tell you क्या होगा कल exactly. We will be very precise in our analysis. The other thing I didn't like was why did Reliance underperform today? आज Reliance ने तो बहुत interesting काम किया. I mean, I was surprised. आज Reliance opened, flattish kind of a gap up. It went up to 1250. And उसके बाद पूरा gains को retrace कर गया. पूरा gain retrace कर गया. I told you this yesterday that Reliance today will boom. Why? Crude oil is up. This is all on Telegram. I hope you are noting these points down. Because हम लोग काफी आपको ना view दे देते हैं. आप लोग पढ़ते नहीं हो. ये देखो. मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा होगा, मैं दिखा देता हूँ. Reliance will do well today. पता नहीं यहाँ पे लिखा है कि मैंने April 6th. यहाँ पे नहीं होगा, उस पे Discord पे होगा. See, Brent was up to yesterday. That is why Reliance had to go up today. वो सबको पता था. So we made some good money on Reliance, but उसके बाद एक गिर गया. Why did it fall down? And it's not a small fall, it's a big fall. If you see the daily chart of Reliance, you will see what has happened. हमारा एक super trend settings है TFA, and exactly यहाँ पे इसके ऊपर we were bullish 2050, but exactly वहां से हम नीचे गिर गए. So this shows यार कि Reliance में अब इसके ऊपर ही बाएंगे, उसके नीचे बाएंगे नहीं है. मतलब कोई भी रैली आएगा शॉर्ट हो जाएगा उसके अंदर. So Reliance ने आज बहुत बड़ा bearish pattern बना दिया. Something like a shooting star, but on the bottom. So I am concerned because eventually if Reliance does not perform, HDFC Bank does not perform, I become scared. Even TCS flat ही था because even TCS is the biggest, one of the biggest contributors. वो भी आज बड़ा flattish था, उसने कुछ काम नहीं किया आज. Bajaj Finance, they did fine. Axis was also down. It has again Axis Bank is also closed near the lows only. 690 के ऊपर close नहीं हो पाया. I have told you this level in the last video also that 690 is a strong level for me. इसके नीचे थोड़ा मैं weak देखता हूँ. And see these trend lines that I have drawn. Precision देखो. ये trend lines I have already given you in Bank Nifty video. If you haven't seen that video, please go back to my YouTube channel. A couple of days back on Sunday, I think, I uploaded a video, Bank Nifty analysis for April 2021. मैं बोल चुका हूँ weak है. So मेरा ये है कि अब जो Axis Bank है ये channel में move कर रहा है like this. थोड़ा ये move कर रहा है. So I am not very happy. I feel Axis Bank is the weakest right now out of all the banks, and others are doing fine. Kotak में हमने पैसा कमाया. Even in Kotak, why did I tell you all to exit? मैं बड़ा simple आदमी हूँ. ये देखो, super trend custom setting. यहाँ पे हमने अगेन यहाँ पे एग्जिट करा. दिस इज एग्जैक्टली वेयर आई सेड 1807 प्रॉफिट बुक कर लेना अपना, ज्यादा ट्रेड में मत बैठो. इंडसइंड डिड फाइन, एसबीआई डिड फाइन, ठीक है. सो इवेंचुअली टुमारो क्या करना चाहिए, प्लान क्या है? एज लॉन्ग एज 880 डज नॉट ब्रेक, हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं. समझो बात को, 880 जब तक ब्रेक नहीं होता, यू कैन नॉट डू एनीथिंग एग्रेसिव ऑन द बाय साइड. एक बार उसको ब्रेक होने दो, बिकॉज वी हैव ऑलरेडी गॉट सो मेनी रिजेक्शंस. एंड देयर इज नो पॉइंट कि आप उसको प्ले करो, ट्राई करो कि हम बाय करेंगे, बट हर रोज फेल हो रहा है. टुडे आल्सो हाई वाज 880 एग्जैक्टली आई थिंक, और देखो हाई वाज 879.8 एग्जैक्टली वो हाई बन रहा है. हिमालय हैज ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू ऑन संडे आल्सो कि जब तक 880 ब्रेक नहीं होता एग्रेसिव बाइंग पे मत जाना. दैट इज व्हाई आई टुक अ शॉट. सो कल के लिए वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, वेरी ओपन. आई फील नाउ दिस इज व्हाट आई पर्सनली फील. आई थिंक 880 विल बी ओनली ब्रोकन इन अ गैप अप. मेरे को ऐसा लगता है. I don't know if I'm right or wrong, but I have seen the data. मतलब last couple of days we are seeing होता क्या है, we are in a range, and you have to understand जब तक आप एक range में हो, try to play the range, which means that you sell up, buy low, sell high, buy low. So right now we are again at the top. Is it time to sell? So what I think is, if market wants to break this level, it has to gap up above this level, so it can just go higher. Put writing people will exit, सब निकलेंगे. Call writing guys will exit, सब निकलेंगे, and एकदम से rally आ जाएगा बहुत बड़ा. सीधा आपको ले जाएगा 1500 तक ले जाएगा, ये मैं आपको बता देता हूँ. बट आई थिंक as long as we are closing below only this level, and if we are opening also below this level, मेरे को लगता है ये टूटेगा नहीं. So that is why I have taken some bearish positions naked on the market. Now कल के लिए क्या है, अगर आप फ्लैटिश ही खुलते हो, ऑब्जर्व करो क्या होता है. इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, अगर ये लेवल टूटना है, इट हैज टू ब्रेक इन द फर्स्ट 30 मिनट्स और 45 मिनट्स. अगर ये नहीं टूटता, अपने मन में समझ लो ये नहीं टूटेगा आज. सो ट्राई टू हैव स्टॉप लॉस अबव दैट, गो शॉर्ट इन द मार्केट. अदरवाइज अगर तो कल गैप डाउन आता है बिलो 800, अगेन आई थिंक सेलिंग प्रेशर शुड स्टार्ट टू कंटिन्यू. सेम इज द केस विद बैंक निफ्टी. थोड़ा सा सिमिलर व्यू है मेरा, कोई ज्यादा चेंज नहीं है. इवन ऑन बैंक निफ्टी, if I open the 15-minute chart, we have not been able to close very above this trend line. ये मैंने एक trend line बनाया हुआ, it's a very very important trend line, and we are taking resistance over here also, something like that. So I think we can start to fall also. Right now this is nothing but an inside candle. कैसे, ये बहुत बड़ा रेड कैंडल था, इसके अंदर ये दो देखो बार इनसाइड है, उसके बाद एक फॉल कंटिन्यू हो सकता है. सो आई डोंट थिंक अभी बैंक निफ्टी इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग है. Also on the lower side, you can see this level of 32, 500, 400 ये multiple time test हो चुका है. तो अगर कल मार्केट में गिरना है तो ये गैप डाउन करके इसको ब्रेक भी कर सकता है. I think now big movement is pending in the market. कल आएगा, परसों आएगा, we will see that. But let me just see the data once, because I am a person who strictly reads all the data, all what's happening in the market, what we are doing, what FIIs are doing. Accordingly, I will give you a plan. You know my position. I'm in Axis Sports. If I make loss or profit, you know what I'll do. So I'll come in the evening and I'll tell you what exactly to do. So that is for now. I hope you like the video. Okay? Thank you so much, guys. Always love all, serve all.